In this tutorial, I will show you how to mask and track your effects in Premiere Pro. Let's begin. For this tutorial, I will be using this clip of the girl sitting down. However, I want to lighten up her face more because I feel it's too dark. To begin, I will go ahead to the effects window and search for the Lumetri color effect. Once located, I will apply it to my video. Now, I will go ahead to my effects and control window. And under Lumetri color effect, I will drop down the basic correction menu. Here, I will adjust the contrast, highlights, and shadows to a point where I feel her face is well lit. Perfect. I like how this looks. However, I only want her face to be lit and not the rest of the room. To fix that, I will create an ellipse mask and drag the ellipse to where the face of the girl is. I'll make sure I am at the beginning of my timeline. Okay, I will now scale the ellipse to fit around the girl's face. This looks good. Now that I have my mask ready, I'm going to track the footage. I'll go back to the mask under the Lumetri color and select the play button to track the mask forward. Now that it's done, we can see all of the keyframes our tracking data has created. Let's see if Premiere did a good job tracking her face. Okay, it's not bad. It did a fairly good job. It's time to blend the edges of the mask. I'll increase the mask's feather to around 81. Okay, this looks good. I'll hit the preview button. Okay, this looks good too. If I place them side by side, you can see the difference. And there you have it. You now know how to mask and track your effects in Premiere Pro. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you would like to watch more tutorials like this one, or download some project files, head over to the tutosdigital.com website. Thank you for watching Tutos, your tutorial channel. Till the next one.